Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by acting now. Inspect the stainless for brown spots or tiny pits and decide which areas need treatment. Once spotted, clean oils away with 70% isopropyl or a mild detergent and rinse thoroughly. Make sure the metal is dry. Next, put on gloves and use 400-600 grit sandpaper to gently remove surface rust. Sanding along the grain, do not cross-grain. After abrasion, wipe with a microfiber cloth. Then apply a stainless-specific cleaner to neutralize residues and restore the passive layer. Once the surface is abraded and clean, you must repassivate to rebuild corrosion resistance. Apply an acid-free passivator or a controlled 10% citric acid solution, following contact times exactly, because overexposure can etch the steel. Then rinse with clean water and polish using a non-metallic pad along the grain to even the finish. Make sure to remove all residues. Leftover salts promote rust. Finally, dry the piece thoroughly and inspect under bright light. Any missed spots need repeating before sealing. You finish by sealing and setting a maintenance rhythm. Apply a clear passivation spray or a thin, even coat of food-grade mineral oil to repel moisture. Make sure the layer is light, not sticky. Establish routine cleaning, monthly washing, quick rinse after salt or chemical exposure, and never use steel wool or chloride cleaners. If rust returns, repeat the passivation and consider a slightly more aggressive 200-300 grit abrading step, then reseal. If issues persist, consult a metal restoration professional for metallurgical assessment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.